Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. Now this week I've chosen 5 pairs for our video. We know that market is really slow, but with all the pairs that we are following, the watch list we post daily in our Facebook group, we have options yet again to make some more pips. Today I will start with gold. We know in gold we are on a big range, and at the beginning of the week price found our resistance area. These are lines drawn from our top-down approach, and we saw also a small wedge, an opportunity, even if it's extended. We have one of our nice combinations here already met, and then when we saw the retracement we found an opportunity to enter with an APO more or less like 60 pips, and the only thing you had to do is just stay in the trade, like we always say. Our last position now is already 470 pips, more than 8 times our APO, and of course Monday morning, since our support area is breaking, we will go and check it to see what is our next potential target. Next one is USD CAD. On USD CAD again, price was on a retracement. We are already of course long for a previous entry. Our last position now counts 130 pips, but this week we were waiting for a breakout. We got it. Let me delete that, and you can see again with our nice confirmation with like 20 pips more or less, price has already given me my win-win scenario. Twice my APO, and my last position of course is still running, and you can see with 20 pips we are going for 150, or from our previous week last position is going for 230 pips or even more. Now Euro Aussie, of course we know this was a late entry. I've been saying that again and again and again, but if we have volatility we have nothing to worry about. We had also a nice retracement even with this candle here. My APO was like 40-50 pips, already 150. Definitely win-win scenario. Maybe you got stopped out here if you trailed your APO on M12 with last position 60 pips. All charts are M12, and you can see that here. So another win-win scenario, more than twice my APO. Now another euro pair was Euro USD. I've been saying that for some time now, focus short. I was saying that again and again and again, even on higher settings. When price was breaking away with a big spike in this area, I was still saying keep it short. Euro USD has sorry, a lot of room to go short, and when price spiked yet again, if you remember, we said let's bounce trade that short, and with what we have here you can see of course that trailed APO is 24 pips, already win-win scenario, and the whole point is that we are actually going with 25 pips of an APO for 230, or for those who are joining us on the live room for this area. So you see I have an APO or a stop loss, we prefer APO, account protection order, 25 pips going for 630. And the only thing we do is just follow the main trend. And of course, we practice patience. Many of you have done it. Well done. Again, more than twice my APO on Euro USD. Last one is GBP Aussie. Trend continuation. Price is still moving. I already know from my top-down approach my next potential target. We had a higher settings, lower settings combination, and you can see again at this point we had an opportunity with an APO again more or less like 45-50 pips to move all the way down. Here price, of course, we didn't get stopped out. Price moved 150 pips. Maybe you got stopped out with 70 pips your last position, but again, for sure, more than twice your APO. Yeah, if you calculate it, it was like 50 plus 50, which is plus 100, which is our second target. It's 150 plus 70, it's 230, and it's not like more than twice. But like I always say, I am here counting only where the price went, and that was twice my APO. With only these 5 pairs, we had 870 pips, and that is more than 15% from my APOs here. 15 times my APO. So I think once more that is a good thing. And you can see even we didn't have volatility, and also with M12, yes, we can also make money. Thank you very much for watching one of our videos. Have a beautiful weekend and see you again Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody.